Hi guys, ito yung Central Warzan Central. Anong tawag dyan? Anong museum? Tourist museum to?
Parang mga mall.
Ito yung mga mall.
Tapos yung Hard Rock.
Guys, ito yung Hard Rock sa Warzan Central. So in case na magpupunta kayo dito, ayan, so Novotel. So ayan siya. So ito mga e-bikes, e-scooters na in case na gusto nyo magkaroon nyo. So ayan, dyan tayo, mag-walk tayo na ayan. So ganyan, ayan siya. So nag-walk siya na kung okay naman.
Oh, brother. Are you saying a demon can be in a Christian? Yes.
Yeah. Dito tayo. Pwede naman sila. Parang free naman sila dito.
Some demons are more comfortable living in Christians.
Free sila
Because
mag-speech.
they know that these Christians, they are just Christians. They don't believe in what they preach.
Maganda naman.
They don't believe in what they hear.
Ayan. Mga building.
The devil is wicked.
Guys.
The devil is wicked, brothers and sisters.
Mukha naman silang friendly naman dito. So I hope na nagugustuhan nyo yung pagtuturo natin sa Poland kahit roto kahit first time raw videos. So anyway, bye. Thank you again.